Very good morning. Excellencies, on behalf of the Government of Malaysia, I'm pleased to welcome all of you to Kuala Lumpur. I hope you really enjoyed the durian last night and you can sleep well. In 2005, in this very hall, the ASEAN leaders had the wisdom and foresight to establish this as East Asia Summit, as a forum for dialogue on broad strategic, political and economic issues of common interest and concern, with the aim of promoting peace, stability and economic prosperity in East Asia. Today's world faces a complex web of crises that jeopardize global peace, shared prosperity, and well-being of people everywhere. From the outbreak of conflicts and rising great power competition to economic fragmentation, rapid technological shifts, and transnational security threats. These global and regional dynamics are shifting rapidly, testing the strength of our resolve and institutions to the clarity of our wisdom and the resilience of our cooperation. Stability and predictability are essential. The many conflicts around the world must be effectively addressed and their untold devastation and suffering relieved. ASEAN welcomes and supports all efforts towards peace, including in Ukraine and Middle East. The efforts should be based on international law, international humanitarian law, and the United Nations Charter. The longest conflict of modern history rooted in the unjust and illegal occupation of the Palestinian territory must be brought to an end. 80 years of impunity have emboldened Israel to the extent of openly committing genocide, including through mass starvation that includes babies and children. This is unacceptable. It must not be allowed to continue. It must be stopped. Excellencies, let us mark this 20th of the East Asia Summit with a pledge to take decisive actions to end all conflicts and to do so guided by principles of justice, fairness and equality and humanity. ASEAN counts on the constructive engagement and commitment of all partners towards ensuring lasting peace, shared prosperity, and continued progress for all.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.